What's up, guys? It's Matt So Fresh, and as you all know, I'm going on vacation / camping, and yes, in the community section there is a vote. I will be ending that vote on tomorrow at 10:30, 11, probably 11. So please go vote, because it's based on what videos I'm gonna be doing. Vote if you want me to do YouTube shorts, a blog, go live, or anything, as long as you just post something. But yeah, so today I'm gonna be doing a pack with me. So yeah, let's get into it. So as in shoe wise, I'm gonna pack some flip-flops. And then I have these actually, I'll probably just take flip-flops and Crocs, because Crocs are like shoes, right? So yeah, I'm gonna put that there. And then pajama-wise, I'm only gonna pack 2 pairs of pajamas. I got this shirt, these shorts, and then these shorts. They're just plain old athletic shorts. So as in underwear and socks, I'm probably gonna pack 3 of those, because I'm probably gonna take a shower every day that I'm there. I'm only going for 3 days. Well, actually, hang on. So I'm staying tomorrow. I'm staying Saturday, and we're leaving Sunday, but I don't know what time. I'm just gonna pack 3. I'm gonna pack 2 for the night, 2, yeah, for the days and whatever, and then for an extra, there's socks that I can put. I just have a bunch of random socks in here. I'm probably only gonna pack 2 pairs of socks, because I'm not really gonna even need socks, because I'm gonna be swimming almost the entire time. That's why I'm packing flip-flops. I would wear socks with my Crocs, and that rhymes, but whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna find some day clothes that I can wear. So yeah, so for my day clothes, I found 1 pair. I'm gonna have to find another, but I found, hi baby, I'm gonna wear this, and this skirt. You know, nothing that fancy, because I'm not even gonna be able to wear it the whole day, you know? I'm actually probably, okay, I have 2 pairs of, whatever it's called, hang on. I have 2 pairs of pajamas, and I might pack a pair of comfy clothes, some sweatpants, and probably a shirt, a comfy shirt. Not to wear to bed, but if we decide to go out to eat or something, and we just got done swimming, I'll probably put on that instead of putting back on my day clothes, or putting back on or getting into my pajamas. You know, gross. You don't want to go out to eat and then sleep in the clothes that you went out to go eat in, you know? But yeah, I'm gonna find my second outfit, and I'm gonna find the comfy clothes. So this would be my second shirt for my second outfit, and then my second bottoms for my second outfit. Miss, can you go upstairs or something? And then for my comfy clothes, I chose this shirt, and then these plaid pajama pants. I know I said I was gonna do sweatpants, but same thing, you know? I think people are fighting on Be Real. That's why people are annoying. should have got my waterproof mascara at my mom's. I should have brought that. Well, I didn't, so yeah. I need to find my bathing suit. Honestly, I don't know where that is. I think it's probably upstairs in my bathroom, I want to say, but I'm not exactly sure. If I find it, I'll let you guys know. So this is the swimsuit top. The top is wet, but the bottoms aren't. I don't know why. Gosh. And then these are the bottoms. And I'm probably gonna get a new swimsuit soon because I kind of need one. But yeah, that's my swimsuit. I'm probably gonna let my swimsuit dry, or the top of my swimsuit dry, because it's wet for some reason. I mean, it was in the tub, like on the ground of the tub, which is kind of disgusting, but I don't really have time to wash it right now. So I'm gonna put in my swimsuit bottoms though. Okay, so I'm gonna pack my brush, probably my bag of rubber bands, because I like doing bubble braids, and if we're gonna like go somewhere and not, like, I know we're gonna do stuff besides swim, so if I want to do like my hair, I can do it with these, because I usually do bubble braids with rubber bands anyway. So yeah. And I'm also here, I got my, yeah, whatever. This is actually deodorant. It looks like chapstick, but I'm gonna pick that too. I don't want to be stank. No, it's actually getting cringe, but like, anyway, I'm gonna pack this perfume. Which one smells better? Yeah. That one smells good. Well, probably gonna do this one. So I'm gonna do these two perfumes. Ooh, should I pick this little dude? Actually, I'm gonna leave it here. But yeah, I'm gonna put that stuff in my bag. Y'all girls know what this is. It ain't makeup. I'm packing it just in case, y'all. Just in case. I'm gonna put it in this pocket here. So yeah. Once I get my charger on, I'm gonna put it in this pocket right here. And yeah, I'm gonna pack some stuff for like doing whenever we're not swimming or doing anything, because you know, you can't like swim 24/7 the entire time, you know, so I'm gonna find some stuff for entertainment. So the stuff I chose for my entertainment stuff, whoa, I almost fell over. I chose some like slime, like this stuff is like kinetic sand, like Play-Doh. This is putty, and then these are like slimes. But yeah, I also chose like stuff to do my nails. This is to help grow and stuff, and then these are just like, the rest are like nail polish and all that. But yeah, and this is like a clear coat to go over nail polish. So this, I'm probably gonna put it in the pocket where it has my shoes. I would bring my clay beads and stuff, but like I have no idea where they are. And I've really been craving to make bracelets with clay beads. And I'm gonna put these with like my brush and my hair ties and perfumes and stuff like that. So my heatless curls stuff is upstairs, but I have the scrunchies and stuff, and I'm gonna put this also with like in here, like heatless curl stuff in there too, with the brush and all that. I got me some lip scrub, lip balm, and some lip gloss because I still gotta be looking good. Okay, I don't really look good right now because I didn't do anything to myself today. I didn't get ready or anything. I don't have mascara on, no blush, no none, which I usually just wear lip gloss, mascara, and blush, and that's it. Blush, not all the time, but the other two, quite a bit, yeah. But yeah, pretty much all I need to pack, honestly. But yeah, so so yeah, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button.